tactile finger based on optical signals. Engineers have developed highly sensitive robotic fingers using optical signals. These fingers can be used in various places from manufacturing to hospitals. Underneath the finger's skin is a layer of transparent silicon containing LEDs and photodiodes. When the finger touches something, the skin changes shape, reflecting light differently. Advanced machine learning helps analyze this reflected light, allowing the system to detect various touches such as different forces applied and the objects being touched. This technology helps robots have a better sense of touch than before.